Happy Tuesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. I want to start off talking about some of the cold mornings that I have in the forecast in the coming days. We start our Wednesday off single-digit temps in the morning. Thursday morning, I'm expecting temps back slightly below zero as we kick off the morning there. A little warmer for your Friday, then more single digits to slightly below zero temps for the weekend. So yeah, we do have some cold mornings ahead, but if you're looking for a happy thought, take a look at this. The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, this would be for the dates January 31st through February 4th. And in that window, I am expecting a little bit of a warm up here. We're trending toward a change in the pattern that allows for some warmer air in the eastern U.S. You see the likelihood here of above average temperatures in that time frame, something that we'll watch for to try and melt a little bit of that snow into the early part of February. But it is certainly going to take a lot of warm weather to do that with how much snow is on the ground. Now, between then and now, yeah, more cold. Wind chills by Wednesday morning. There's not going to be a strong wind, but with how cold we'll be, even a light breeze will be able to drive wind chills down below zero. I'm expecting that range to be as low as about -5 to, at times, -10 if we can get enough of a breeze out there during the day. Well, it's going to be a cold one. Temps only go into the teens for highs, and it'll be feeling like it's in the single digits for a large part of the day. I'm also keeping an eye on the Great Lakes here tonight for some lake effect snow. Now, the fetch that we're going to have setting up will primarily focus most of that snow north of our area. I can't rule out a little bit trying to graze at least northern Trumbull and Mercer, but as we look at our morning outlook here coming up on Wednesday morning, you see that snow to the north. If your morning commute takes you up toward Lake County, Ashtabula, Crawford, or Erie, in particular along I-90 east of Cleveland, I do expect you to encounter some snowy roads, the potential up there for snow heavy enough to drop visibility at times. Now further to the south, especially in our area, northern Trumbull, northern Mercer, we may be grazed with a little bit of snow, but I don't expect it to add up to much. A dusting not out of the question going through the morning. It's especially as you get up into that northern snow belt. Now by the afternoon, the chance for snow fades. Temperatures not warming much, mid-teens, that's it. And I do expect some holes in these clouds, allowing for a little sunshine. Wednesday night, well, our temperatures, they'll fall pretty quickly here down to a few degrees below zero for your Thursday morning. So very cold kickoff to your Thursday. It looks like a dry day though, and what I'm expecting is some sunshine with increasing clouds as we head further into the afternoon. Temperatures a little bit warmer. We're talking highs in the 20s. Now Thursday night into Friday, another cold front moves through, and that's going to touch off some snow in our area. We have the chance to start our Friday off with snow showers, and I do expect a little bit of accumulation with this. Enough though that we may be able to slicken up roadways for Friday's morning commute and perhaps into the early afternoon as we watch to see how quickly that snow tapers off. The end of that snow will hinge on the development of this East Coast storm system. We may still be able to get a little bit of a break here into Friday evening. Saturday, I'm going with a low chance for snow now, but if this storm system were to take a more westward track closer to the East Coast, that could push some of this snow a little closer to the valley on our Saturday. The chance of that right now is looking pretty small, but it is something that I'm keeping an eye on. So as we kick off the weekend, we'll keep an eye out for a little snow. Temperatures, well, they'll be back to cold conditions, but that's the start of our warming trend. Cold is high up on the hassle factors list. Watch for black ice out there. That sun this afternoon melting some of that slush on the roads. Anywhere that slush didn't evaporate and you have standing water, it will be able to freeze up with temps down into the single digits. 4 degrees for the low. Winds will be fairly light, but enough of a breeze for sub-zero wind chills at times through the night into tomorrow morning. Now that chance is there for a few snow showers and flurries, mainly in the morning, mainly to the north of Warren and Mercer, though I can't rule that out for at least a passing snow shower areas south of those areas during the morning. Into the afternoon, snow chances fade. 15 degrees, that's it for the high. A little sunshine there too. And then Thursday, we'll look for a mix of sun and clouds after a frigid start to the day. Temps jump back to the 20s. We'll be in the 20s again Friday. Watching for some snow showers there. Could be a little accumulation with this system. Nothing extreme, but enough that we could have impacts on roadways. And then for the weekend, temps do drop again, but notice where they start going next week. As we come up on the start of the next work week, I'm looking for highs around 30 on Monday, jumping above freezing. The last time we had temps above freezing here, you have to go back to last Wednesday. So if we hold this trend here, it does look like when we come up on next Tuesday, temps finally jumping above freezing, we'll start to melt a little bit of that snow.